In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whiteboard in Zoom. Tutorial for beginners. To get started, open the Zoom desktop app and sign into your account. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure the Whiteboard feature is enabled for your account, since this tool needs to be available before you can use it inside a meeting. Once Zoom is open, start a new meeting or join an existing one. After you're inside the meeting, look at the meeting controls and click Whiteboards. From there, choose New Whiteboard. This will open a whiteboard directly inside your Zoom meeting, so you can begin working right away without leaving the session. On the left side of the whiteboard, you'll see the editing tools. These are the main controls you'll use to build and organize your board. You can work with tools like Select, Pen, Shapes, Line, Text, and Sticky Notes. To use any of them, simply click the tool you want, then click or drag on the canvas, depending on the action you're trying to perform. If you want to add written content, select the text tool, click anywhere on the whiteboard, and start typing. After that, you can adjust the formatting to make your text clearer and easier to read. To draw freely, choose the pen tool, then use your mouse or trackpad to sketch directly on the canvas. If needed, you can also switch to the highlighter for emphasis, or use the eraser to clean up anything you want to remove. If you'd rather create neat visual elements, select Shapes. Choose from options like a rectangle, circle, or other available shapes, then click and drag on the canvas to place them. This is especially useful for diagrams, flowcharts, or simple visual organization. Zoom Whiteboard also supports collaboration. If participants are given editing access, they can work on the same board with you in real time. When opening an existing board, the host can choose collaborating to allow editing or presenting for view-only access. If you want to share the whiteboard with others, click Share in the top right corner. From there, add recipients, choose their permission level, and then select Share Whiteboard. You can also use templates to save time. Open the Templates section, browse or search for the one you want, and click. Use Template to place it onto your whiteboard. For more structured walkthroughs, you can create frames around different sections of the board. Then open the More Tools menu, choose Presentation, and use Previous and Next to move through those frames like slides. When you're done, click Close Whiteboard at the top of the screen. Your board will still be saved, and you can access it again later from the Zoom Whiteboard section.